Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Flawless by Friday, a cruelty-free Canadian beauty brand that focuses on speed, simplicity, and self-confidence. Flawless by Friday has generously given me the 5-day system mask and the AM/PM serum. Over the course of 5 days, I'm going to be showing you how to use the 5-day system mask. I will also be sharing the AM/PM serum benefits. So let's get started. Moisture Monday. Clip back your hair and make sure everything's out of your face. Wash your hands, make sure they're clean. I've already cleansed my face and now we're going to start off with the first mask. I'm just going to take out this mask. It has 2 parts to it. You would put the top part onto the top part of your face. This mask is kind of big for my face. I have a tiny face. I'm just placing it on. It's super slimy and it seems to slide down, but it's totally cool and refreshing at the same time. Its main ingredient is hyaluronic acid. And obviously for the second part, you're just going to put that on the bottom half of your face. It kind of just slides off my face, but that's okay. We can put it back on and it's all good. Maybe I just didn't push it in far enough. I just let this sit for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes is up, I just removed the bottom and top layer off my face. I took a look closely at the product and I noticed that it was no longer slimy. All the gel from the mask had gone to my face and it has hydrated it. Now switching over to the AM serum. So this one has 3 benefits to it, which are it protects the skin during the day from free radical damage with vitamin C. It restores pigmentation and reduces acne scarring, and it stimulates cell turnover for healthier skin. I'm applying 2 drops of the AM serum onto my fingertips and gently patting and rubbing the product onto my skin. The combination with the AM and PM, which I'll show you later, works together to improve the skin tone and texture. It helps remove blemishes and restores your natural beauty. Now moving on to the PM serum. Remember to wash your face and make sure that your hands are clean before applying this. The consistency is a little thicker than the AM serum. You would apply it the same way, so putting 2 drops on your fingertips and gently pressing and rubbing onto your skin. The PM serum has 3 benefits to it, which includes that it unclogs pores to help reduce breakouts with glycolic acid, it fills in fine lines while you sleep with hyaluronic acid, and it treats blemishes and evens out the texture of your skin. Toning Tuesday. This mask focuses on the ingredient vitamin C. For the remainder of the mask, I'm going to be fast forwarding the video because you guys have already seen me explain how to put it on. The same goes for the AM and PM serum. Wrinkle Wednesday. This mask focuses on the ingredient green tea. Tightening Thursday. This mask focuses on the ingredient caffeine. Flawless Friday. This mask focuses on the ingredient honey. Now that you guys have seen me try out these products for the last 5 days, I just want to give a quick review on the products. I'm going to start off with the face mask, and you guys can tell that I've ripped through them all and used them. I love that opportunity to wake up in the morning and put a face mask on and start my day off feeling like I was doing a mini spa. My skin definitely felt more hydrated after using them. My favorite is the honey one, so the Friday one. I think I really like that for the scent. This one stuck to my face better because it seemed that it was made a bit differently compared to these ones. These masks are a little big for my face, so if there were different sizes it might be better. The mask definitely made my face feel a lot more moisturized, which is amazing because my skin tends to get flaky and very dry in certain areas, which leads me into the next thing, which would be the serums, which also helps keep that moisture in. I've noticed that after using both the face mask and the serums that my skin has become noticeably softer and definitely smoother in areas because I would get little bumps here and there. I know that you guys can see these little red marks, but I have to say that they weren't as red when I first woke up. They show more after washing my face. I generally break out every once a month around that time, so it has definitely helped reduce the amount of redness and the size of them. I like how you only have to use a little bit every day, so 2 drops of this one in the morning and 2 drops of this one in the evening. It goes a long way. If you guys are interested in trying any of them out, definitely head over to their website and use my coupon code ERICA15 to get 15% off your order. I just wanted to say thank you to Flawless by Friday for gifting me again these products. They're lovely and I love them and I would definitely recommend trying them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.